you have any assignment? No, ma'am. No? Okay, class, so can we recap our lesson yesterday? Ma'am. Okay, Miss De La Cruz.
Our lesson yesterday tackled the tawag Bakit Ako Sleep by Franz Kafka.
Okay, very good. We tackled about the metamorphosis by Franz Kafka, who is the boy is Gregory or Grigor, who transformed as a something insect. Okay, very good. So, before we proceed to our lesson, I have the activity. So, I will ask you some question na lang. Okay, you first. Miss De La Cruz,
Yes,
what kind of communication do you use at your home?
Well, I usually use the communication as a family.
Simple talking to your mother.
Yes.
Very good. Okay, Miss Patricia, do you have a boyfriend?
Yes.
So, what kind of communication do you use with your boyfriend?
The communication with my boyfriend, we usually talk every day using
So, I have some activity here. So, I want you to answer this or arrange the words that I shuffle. Okay, so from 1 to 3, I want you to answer this, Miss De La Cruz, and then 4 to 6, Miss Patricia, answer this. But you first. Pass the number to Miss Patricia, so she can answer in white book. Okay. So do you have any idea that what is our lesson today? None? No one? Okay. Based in your activity or based that you answered here in the whiteboard is our lesson for today is about please everybody read speech style. Speech style. Before I discuss to you what is the types of speech style, I want you to read our objective first. Everybody read.
At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to
Define the jumble words through context clues. Determine the types of speech styles in different scenario and create a pledge of loyalty to the country. So now, let me introduce to you what are the different types of speech style. We have frozen, formal, consultative, casual, and semi-composed style. So let me discuss to you what is frozen style. So frozen style, it says here that it is the most formal level of speaking style that we know. And also this style is or this style of communication is rarely used in or it never changes. Example of this are the preamble, the pledge of loyalty, diba? Because it never changes. Like the preamble, matagal na yun, hindi siya na-change. Kumbaga, this kind of style is hindi na talaga na-change yan.
there's no more changes at all.
Yes, it will never be changed. And then next, we have a formal style. So it says here that formal style, it is refers to a serious communication. Okay, let's back to the frozen style. The example of this is number 1 example is the prayer. Diba? The prayer will never change. Diba? Okay, so that is the example of frozen style. Okay, let's proceed or let's continue with the formal style. So, yeah, as I said a while ago, formal style is used in formal or serious communication or speaking. So the job, diba? Yes, job interview. If you have job interview, of course, you have to use the formal communication in your bosses or in the ahead of you. You should use the formal style applying or if you have in a, if you are in a serious, serious, what's that serious? Okay. To continue the formal style. The example of formal style, of course, when you are talking in some, or you are in professional matter, you have to use a formal style. Okay, next we have consultative style. It says here that consultative style, it is often refer to a formal group such as consultative committee that advises government or a company that provides consultative services in a particular area or expertise. So the example of this are those people or in a for example in the government, right? If you are asking some assistance, diba? So the example of consultative style is, for example, when you are buying a car, and this of course you have to consult or you have to ask some question or advices from your friend that you have. And I want to say that I wanted to buy some car, so I wanted to provide some information or ask some information from them. No? Kumbaga, you are consulting someone. Like you are the doctor, you go in the hospital or in the clinic and then you consult about something from the doctor. So that is the example of consultative style. Next, we have casual style. So casual style is a way of talking that you use with people that you are close to and trust. There are words, phrases, and ways of speaking that you will use with your friends, your family members, and with people who are similar age, social status, and personality to you. So, Miss De La Cruz, when you are talking with Miss Patricio, that is called casual. We use casual talk, and casual communication with your close friends, classmates. Yes, that is called casual.
Like you na.
No, this is not a casual communication. This is formal communication. Yes. Next, we have intimate style. So it says here that intimate style, this speech style is for very close relationships like couples, family, and best friends. It is also use self-addressed questions, self-talk, and etc. So, as I said a while ago, diba, like Miss Patricio, I asked her if she has a boyfriend, and I asked her what kind of communication like she used or they use when they are talking with
Your boyfriend.
yes, with his wife or with her boyfriend rather. So this is called intimate. Yes, intimate style because you are, talking with your boyfriend, with your special someone, diba? You are something like
You're comfortable here. Oh, really? That is
okay, that's it. Enough. Enough is very over drama. No, okay, so that is the example of intimate style when you are talking with your boyfriend. So this matter like you are self-talk with him, like your personal status in your life, like tell him with a deep meaning, eye contact. Excited. Okay, so since I discussed to you the different types and what are the meanings of the different styles of frozen, different types of frozen style. So, again, what are the 5 different types of speech style? Everybody, what are those?
Frozen.
Okay, frozen, and then
Formal.
and then
We have consultative, casual, and
okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Let me erase this first. So, ayun, kodigo. Okay, I will read the statement and then you write the correct answer, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, number one. So, if the, I will give you a statement, okay, and then write the correct answer. Okay. Number one. The President BBM gave a speech during his presidency. Again, the President BBM gave a speech during his presidency. What kind of style or speech style did he use? Number two, Republic Act number 10,627 or the Anti-Bullying Act of 2003. Next, again, Republic Act number 10,627 or the Anti-Bullying Act of 2003. Three, I shared my traumatizing relationship to my best friend and how my past boyfriend treated me. Again, I shared my traumatizing relationship to my best friend and how my past boyfriend treated me. Next, a student asking his or her teacher about something that he or she doesn't understand. Again, a student asking his or her teacher about something that he or she doesn't understand. Don't cheat Miss Miss Cruz ha.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, last number. During dinner, we had a little conversation with my parents. They asked me how is my school and about other things. Again, during dinner, we had a little conversation with my parents. They asked me how my school and about other things. Okay, change your papers, change your paper with your screen. So, let's check your quiz if you listen well. Okay, I am expecting that you will gonna perfect this Okay, the question number one is the President BBM gave a speech during his presidency. Okay, Miss Rowena, what do you think is being used? What speech style being used in President BBM presidency?
Formal speech po, ma'am.
Formal speech. Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Number one is formal speech. Okay, number two, Republic Act number 10,627 or the Anti-Bullying Act of 2003. So, Miss Patricia, what is the answer?
The answer is frozen, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Frozen style, Miss Rowena, because it never changed. Because it is the law. Okay, it's law. This is frozen style. Okay, number three. I shared my traumatizing relationship with my best friend and how my past boyfriend treated me. So what is the answer?
Ma'am.
Yes, Miss Wena.
Intimate.
Internet. Internet is right. Correct answer. Okay, next question is a student asking his or her teacher about understand. So what is this? What is the answer? The answer is consultative. Very good. It's consultative because she or he is asking. You should, I remember the key word. Yeah, the key word of speech. Next is the last question. During dinner, we had a little conversation with my parents. They asked me how's my school and about other things. Yes, Miss Patricia. Was make sure you write your exam by in the paper that you should okay, and then you may refer to the paper at the number. Okay. Let me record your score. Remember, this is your no, it's not first. We have this yesterday, right? Yeah. So that is quiz number 3. Okay, Miss Rowena. 3 now. 3? Why you didn't listen to me?
I changed the answer in the
Miss Rowena, I noticed that you are not making good development in other lessons. You have to listen to me, ha? When we are discussing, so we will get a high score. Okay, Miss Patricio.
fine, ma'am.
Very good. You got a perfect score. And also, she always got a perfect score. Okay, now, I want you to group you into 2. Discuss this whole class. I will put it into 2. Because we will be having a role playing. So, in this side is the group 1, and then this is the group 2. So, obviously, Miss Patricia is the leader of group 1, and then Miss Rowena is the leader of group 2. So, this role playing will, I want you to choose one of the examples or types of speech style here, and then choose one and role play, you have to role play it after the class. Okay, class, for your assignment, in a 1 whole sheet of paper, I want you to, Miss Patricio, you are not listening to me.
Sorry, ma'am.
I am speaking here in French, okay? Okay, again, class, Miss Patricia, for your assignment in a 1 whole sheet of paper, I want you to create or write a pledge of loyalty to the country. Your assignment will be passed on Monday. Okay, very good. So, I think that's all for today. So, see you in our next meeting. So, goodbye.
Goodbye and thank you, Ma'am Lizelle.
Okay, thank you, class. Goodbye.
Bye, ma'am.
Enjoy your weekends.
Dito mo makasulat.
Okay, stop chit-chatting. Go home na.